Heyo, this is Dark Phoenix Gaming, and yeah, I'm playing Roblox. You might have heard of the game. Sorry, like that. But this is a game I really like. It's really loud. Well, it's game on Roblox. Sorry. Sorry about that, guys. The game on Roblox I really like called Urban Patrol. Got the, you can't really see it on my arm, but I got the full. I have the full stripes. Yeah, I've bought pretty much everything you can. It's a pretty fun game. I guess let's just teleport it. No. No. I usually play this game in first person mode. Yeah. When you're using a rifle, you usually don't use all the ammo. You just hold it down and it's hold down for it. Yeah, and this is the kind of thing about this game. It's loud. This game is very loud. And yeah, I'm gonna turn down my volume. Yeah, I'm turning down my volume. Yeah, that is loud. What the heck? Okay, this is my look. Mine's fat. I didn't really like this. Oh, shoot. Okay, I really like this game. I'm just coming. Tell me, just coming to play this game. Tell me if you like it. And tell me if there are any other games you want me to play. If you want me to play a certain game on Roblox, just tell me you want to play this game, the name of the game, and say it's on Roblox. Oh, I'm so in trouble. But hey, you're not the best guy on either team for nothing. Bye. Take it. What? Oh, you're shooting behind me. Dang, but well, I mean, that's the point of the game. Take out the head. Well, you go down there. Oh, there we go. Is that creepy? Okay, I'm gonna go take, oh yeah. Truck. Moving good. Shoot. I can't call it there. Okay, from here. Oh, got him. Yeah, thing with this game, you'll notice your points will go up. But, oh, if you get above 3,000, next time you log on to the game, you'll be put down to 3,000. Oh, wait! I am on red. Yep. And then... Oh, yeah. And the office guy. Yeah. Yeah, that's how it goes in this game. And now, we got nothing. To the tanks, man. To the tanks. You know, this is the strongest tank. But I like it the most because it's fast. You know, I just don't like slow things. They just bug me a lot. They're just slow. I mean, yeah, they're slow. Okay, let me just say, born on the year of the horse, if there's anything that suits me, it's I'm not patient. Speaking of not being patient, RPG! Oh. Oh, dude. I was expecting that. Oh, grenade in my hand. Just like Venom. Okay, let's go. Oh, almost got full tank. Well, it's not the best. And the weakest tank. Yeah, it's fast and has all weapons, but it's really weak. I mean, if you'll look around here, you can see my statistics of it. 18th ahead. Hey! Oh, yeah. In a minute, we'll have more than this. At least more than this. Oh! Do 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 the freaking do. Oh, oh, the RPG ammo. Really? Wait, extra RPG ammo? What? I didn't. Oh my. Whoa. RPG. Oh, there's ultra. What do you know? This is premium. Yeah. Oh well. But, yeah. The video can't go on much longer. Sorry about that. But I will be starting to make longer videos. Trust me on that. I'm gonna go take down that. I'm gonna take down that guy. Okay. The enemy. The enemy. Oh, I'm actually here. Oh, it's this guy. Wait, what? What the? Oh, dang lag. Oh my god. Oh. I think I died. I heard you play on, so I'm lagging. Yep, I died. Well, that was certainly the worst time to lag ever. Okay, I'm just gonna take a truck. Yeah, this game is really fun. Let me know if you'd like to see some more Roblox. Oh, hey, you're filming that? What? What? Hello. Bye. Yep. It's eliminating me. Yeah, this is the worst. I mean, look. Yeah, it's the fastest and it has all four, well, it's not the fastest, but it has all four weapons, but they're not as strong. And yeah. Wait, I'm still like. You still have to click. If you're not using auto, you have to just click really fast. That stinks. Oh, fire! Nope, can't hit me, can't hit me. Oh, you can't hit me. Oh, you can't hit me. That was good. Now I'm in trouble. Oh well, see ya. Like I said. No, wait. No. Alright, I'm probably going to close up the episode with this. Let me just show you some of the things you can do. Let's see. Oh. Now, before. You'll be able to see 4 here. And now, 3, 2, 1. Well, yeah, I think we're probably going to wrap up this episode with that. See you guys next time.